Is your Ram ProMaster failing to connect to Apple CarPlay? Let's fix your connectivity issues in just a few minutes. Statistically, most infotainment glitches are caused by either a faulty lightning cable or outdated phone software. Before you visit the dealership, let's run through these essential diagnostic steps. Start by testing a certified cable, cleaning your charging port, and toggling the CarPlay settings on your iPhone. If those fail, check for Uconnect firmware updates and remove old device profiles that might be causing a conflict. Most fixes are simple software tweaks, but hardware failures in the USB hub might require a professional technician. As you can see, cables are the overwhelming culprit for connection drops in the Ram ProMaster. Try a clean slate by forgetting the connection on both devices and performing a full power cycle of your infotainment. Keep a high-quality cable and a USB drive formatted for firmware updates in your glove box for quick troubleshooting. Remember, if a brand new cable doesn't solve it, perform a master reset on the Uconnect system before booking a service appointment. Thanks for watching. If you're still having trouble, check your local dealer for specific Uconnect service bulletins.